Baseball is a game of adjustments, especially for young players trying to navigate through their first season in the majors. For Gleyber Torres, this season has had just about everything. An all-star first half, a DL stint, a slump, and now a scorching crescendo to his 2018 campaign.
See ya! A two-run home run for Torres.
Oh, it's Gleyber Day.
A big hit for Gleyber Torres.
You just cannot say enough about where he has come back to where he was.
After a first half that sent the 21-year-old rookie to the Midsummer Classic, Gleyber struggled mightily, batting .154 over his first 18 games back from the disabled list. Since then, it has been a complete 180 turnaround. From August 16th through September 9th, Torres has been the Yankees' best hitter. In 23 games, he hit .358 with 5 homers, a .430 on-base percentage, and a .556 slugging percentage, leading the club in multiple offensive categories. Torres launched his 23rd long ball on September 7th, and that tied him with teammate Miguel Andujar for the AL rookie lead.
High fly ball left field. Span back. Track. Wall. See ya. That's a nice way to get your 100th hit.
Well, 23 of those 100 hits have been home runs.
The home run was the 100th of his short career, making him the 4th youngest Yankee all-time to accomplish that feat. The Yankee second baseman energized his new team as they won the first 8 games after his call-up. The rookie is once again turning it on to help push towards the postseason.